Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well and you all enjoyed your winter break also. Yes? Correct. Now, let's continue our chapter number 3, length. And in today's class, we are going to learn about conversion of kilometers to meters. And in our introductory class, you are already informed about that 1 kilometer has 1000 meters. So that means whenever we are going to convert kilometers to meters, we need to multiply it by 1000. Now let's look at this example. Convert 12 kilometers to meter. As you know, 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. So here the value which is given in kilometers, that is 12, we will multiply by 1000. So 12 multiplied by 1000 is equals to 12,000 meter. In this way, 12 kilometers is converted to meters as 12,000 meter. This way, we can change kilometers to meters by multiplying with 1000. Here, 2 kilometers will become 2000 meter. 15 kilometer multiply by 1000, 15,000 meter. 30 kilometer multiply by 1000, 30,000 meter. Like this, we can change kilometers to meters. Now look at this another example of conversion in which value which we are going to convert is given in kilometers and meters combined. So in this we will change kilometers and we will add this value of meters to it. Now for this we are taking kilometer value over here, 8 kilometer. When we will convert this 8 kilometer to meters, we will multiply by 1000 and we will get the answer 8,000 meter. After converting this 8 kilometer to meters, we will add this value of meters to it. So 8 kilometers, 450 meters. In place of 8 kilometers, we will write the converted value of meters, that is 8,000 meter, and in this we will add the value of meters, that is 450. So when we will add these two, we will get answer 8,450 meters. So that means in the conversion of mixed units, we need to convert only kilometers and meters part is added to converted part of the kilometers. Now next we will learn to convert meters to kilometers. We know that 1 meter is equals to 1 upon 1000 kilometers. While converting from meters to kilometers, we need to divide by 1000. Let's see this example of conversion from meters to kilometers. Here we have to convert 8,000 meters to kilometers. Children, here to to convert from meters to kilometers, we need to divide by 1000. So, we will divide 8000 meters by 1000. Children, when any number is divided by 1000, then we count 3 places from right hand side and put a decimal mark after 3 places like this. So after putting decimal, we will get answer 8.000, that is 8 kilometers. So after converting 8000 meters to kilometers, we get answer 8 kilometers. So to convert from meters to kilometers, we need to divide by 1000. And when we divide by 1000, we need to put decimal after the 3rd place from your right hand side. So here in 3000, we will put decimal before these 3 zeros. So here we have got the answer 3 kilometer. Same in 15,000 meter, we will put decimal before 3 places, that is before 3 zeros, and hence we have got 15 kilometer. And same in 30,000 meter, we will put decimal before 3 places, that is 30 kilometer. Now let's see this another example where after converting from meters to kilometers, we will get answer in mixed units. So here we have to convert 6829 meters to kilometers. Now the rules will be the same. We have to divide the 6829 meter by 1000. When we divide a number by 1000, then we need to put a decimal point after 3rd place from the right side, as I have put before 8. So this way I have got the answer 6 kilometers and 829 meters, because the 6 was the value of the 1000, which is in kilometer. Left value is in meters. Like this, I obtained answer in mixed unit, that is 6 kilometer 829 meters. Now we are going to learn comparison of lengths using smaller than, greater than and equal signs. Children, we cannot compare two different units. For comparison, we need to convert and make the units same on both the sides. Here in first comparison, it is given 8 meters and 80 centimeters. To compare these values, we need to make their units same. So, we are changing 8 meters to centimeters. For this, we will multiply 8 by 100 and it will become 800 centimeters. So, now it is easy to compare. 800 centimeter when it is compared by 80 centimeter. So, this value is bigger. Next is 1 kilometer and 1500 meter, or you can say 1500 meter. In this also we need to convert and make the unit same. So we are converting 1 kilometer to meter. We know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So here again we can compare now very easily that 1500 meter is bigger than 1000 meter. Next is 3 kilometer or 300 meter. So again here 3 kilometer we will change to meter and it will become 3000 meters. When we compare 3000 meters with 300 meters, this value is bigger. So like this, we have learned to compare different lengths.